Hello, my name is Alex Beebe. I'm a senior chemistry major, and I do research here at Rowan. Do research in Dr. Morelet's lab, which is all about organic chemistry, more specifically in heterocycle chemistry. Now, what that is, it's just making essentially rings out of carbon and oxygen and nitrogen. This all breaks down into 3 steps: synthesis, purification, and identification. That's the simplest you can break it down to. So we'll make these compounds different ways. We have a lot of different reactions we work on. We usually do them in vials on stir plates overnight with heat or other chemicals. The second step is purification, because no chemical reaction is perfect. So everything's going to make side products. You're going to have starting material left over. If you use catalyst or stuff to make the reaction work better, there's still going to be left over. So you have to do something to get the compound by itself. This is usually done through really complex filtering. So it's called chromatography. We essentially separate the compounds out by filtering it for a very long time with a filter that will make things move more quickly or slowly based on the properties of the compounds. So as long as our compound's the only one with a certain property, we can usually separate it with a variety of different methods. And then identification. Obviously we can't just pick up these compounds and look at them and be like, oh, this is the diaziridine I want. We have to use different methods such as HNMR, LCMS, and IR absorbance to determine that we actually made the compound we're looking for. So that's the more instrumental part of our research, where we essentially just put the sample in a machine that we've spent time preparing, and it gives us data about it that we can interpret whether it's what we want or not. Most drugs use heterocycles, and the top 200 drugs from 2014, I think something like 80% of them had rings with nitrogen in them, which is, 80% is huge. So they're obviously very relevant to medicine. So we're not necessarily working on making a new medicine or a new drug. We're working on making methods to make new rings that could either improve the methods used to make medicines available today, or be implemented in new synthesis for new drugs and medication that come out in the future.